Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Use the official Trust Wallet app downloaded from the App Store or Google Play and verify publisher details before opening. Prepare a clean device, update the OS, and consider restoring while offline or in airplane mode to reduce interception risk. Have your 12-word or 24-word recovery phrase written on paper or metal, not stored digitally. Never type or share your 12-word or 24-word recovery phrase with anyone, including support. Set a new 6-digit PIN and enable biometric lock after restoration for ongoing safety. Open Trust Wallet, tap Settings, then Wallets, and select Restore Wallet. Choose the 12-word or 24-word recovery option that matches your original setup. Enter each recovery word in the exact original sequence, using lowercase words, no extra spaces, no punctuation. Verify spelling against your paper or metal backup. After entry, Trust Wallet will derive addresses. Confirm that the wallet name and the first public addresses match ones you previously used to receive funds. If addresses differ, do not proceed and recheck words. Immediately set a new 6-digit PIN, enable biometric unlock, and disable any debug or developer modes to protect the restored wallet. Review the asset list and add custom tokens only by entering exact contract addresses, correct token symbol, and decimals to display balances accurately. Verify balances by comparing wallet addresses and transaction history on a block explorer. If funds appear missing, confirm derivation path and re-enter the recovery phrase offline to rederive addresses. Finally, create a fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.